After finalizing the selection, the committee shall communicate the same to the concerned appointing authority for issuance of orders, which shall be issued without further verification of character and antecedents. Post in BS 1 to 4, which include the post of Naib Qasid, Mali, Chowkidar, Dhobi, and sanitary worker, etc., do not require any academic qualifications, and the only attributes which candidates for these jobs can be required to possess or experience of the work involved in the jobs and good character of the candidates. First up, no selection criteria in terms of qualifications, etc., can therefore be prescribed. First up, the selection committee may therefore develop their own criteria for such posts. First up, for posts in BS 5, including clerks in the educational institutions where certain skill is needed in additional to academic qualifications, qualified candidates with necessary reference and verification considered suitable by the selection committees who do not possess the skill may be selected subject to the condition they shall acquire the skill within a reasonable period. First up, the case in points is the post of junior clerk, for which in addition to qualifications of matriculation, typing speed of 25 words per minute is required. First up, candidates who possess the academic qualifications but do not possess the requisite skill in typing may be selection subject to the condition that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of that they acquire the prescribed typing speed within 6 months of their appointment, and in case of their failure to do so, their services shall be liable to termination. First up, persons possessing requisite skill of typing should, however, be given preference. Having typing skill are not available. First up, recruitment to all teaching posts up to BS 15 and the post of secondary school teacher BS 16 in education department shall be made from among trained qualified candidates having minimum prescribed qualifications for the respective post, who have appropriate reference and verification of respectable citizens of the area. First up, however, where trained teachers are not available, untrained teachers may be appointed on ad hoc basis on the recommendations of the respective selection committee subject to the condition